What's going on, YouTube? Well, we got a new project. It's a 78 C10 Chevy truck. It's gonna be just another build for us, kind of shop truck for us, and has a 5.7 LS in it that we bought it with. And what we're gonna do is just pull this out, and since I've got other plans for the truck, I actually just want to daily drive the truck. So I'm gonna pull it out and just put a 5.3 in it. This is a 5.7 off Camaro with the LS, and they've got a few performance mods done to it. But anyways, we're gonna yank it out and clean up the whole truck completely from the frame on up. So it's gonna be a good build to show you guys. Not gonna go too crazy on it, but just build it up nicely so it'll be something to get around in and look and style as well. Fairly okay shape. It's got a lot of parts that he had included in it that were worth some money. So nice dash that he put in it, and some of the trim bezels and all that. So it's a good start. Floorboards need to be changed up, and so we're going to cut out the whole floorboards, re-weld new pieces. You know, obviously it's a project, so overall it looks in really good shape. Bed looks pretty nice and solid, no collision. It is a clean title truck, so we're just gonna clean it up. We just barely got it yesterday, bought it yesterday, and he's got a stack of boxes of parts that he included with it, so we got a fairly good deal. So we're gonna get started on it. We're gonna get the little ones to help us out and put their hands on this one, and yeah, we'll just go from there. But overall, it's going to be a nice truck to fix up and just do all together. We partnered up in 3 ways of it for this particular project. So what we're going to do is just build it as we get a chance. And we got so many projects going on right now, so it's just one of those projects where we don't know 100% where it's going to go, but we know what we want to build, and we basically want to build a brand new truck from it. So it's gonna be nice. Always been wanting a single cab short bed for a while, so here it is. All right, well, I'll put another video up once I get a little more progress on it. Joe's about to take it apart, do the whole front end. We're gonna pull the engine out right now and kind of go from there, see what happens. So, but I'll keep updated on it. I'll try to keep more videos coming on the channel. So also don't forget to follow us and subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell and all that good stuff, because it helps us out. And I just like to share what we got going on here at the shop. Anyways, hope you guys have a good one. God bless y'all. See ya.